Hello viewers, Aslam here from Leads Flex. So from today we are going to start a complete GoHighLevel course from basic to advanced, in which I'm going to cover all the GoHighLevel topics. I will show you in a bit. So basically what you will get from this course will take you from setting up GoHighLevel to building powerful automations, funnels, websites, and also white labeling your own software. It's beginner friendly and deep into advanced strategies. Most GoHighLevel tutorials are outdated or incomplete, but this course will fully update with new strategies, and also it's a complete course from beginner to advanced. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification so you don't miss any single lesson. So let's dive in video and I will show you all the topics and outline of the course. So in first modules, we are going to learn introduction to GoHighLevel. That includes what is GoHighLevel. That's included overviews, features and benefits of GoHighLevel, how GHL help business and agencies. We will cover these both topics in detail. And also in the next topic is setting up your account. I will guide you how to set up your account step by step, and also I will show you how you can white label your all complete software. I will guide you step by step. So how you get 30-day free trial instead of 14 days. I will provide you link that will convert your 14-day free trial to 30-day free trial, and the link in description as well. I will guide you on a dashboard navigations, basic settings, domains and integrations for emails. I will show you step by step in practical on this topic. And the next topic is user interface and overview, in which I will guide you about CRM, pipelines, calendars, leads and clients management. Each and everything I will cover step by step with practical. And then we will discuss complete GoHighLevel plans. They have 3 plans. I will compare all plan and I will explain which plan is fit for your business and which plan is not fit for your business. I will explain each and everything in these modules, in these sections. So our second module is CRM and automations. And in this module we are going to learn basic of CRM, and that includes managing contacts and pipelines, leads, follow-ups and automations. And also in the next topic we are going to learn follow-ups and automations. It's a similar like of fundamental of CRM, but in this step we are going to learn triggers, tags, action, how you can make your triggers, you add your tags and create your actions and send SMS. And then we will send automated SMS, emails, voice drop, each and everything we can do, all things in our practical sections. So customize CRM, we will customize our CRM, our smart list and import our contacts as well. In the next topic we are going to learn about calendars, and we will set all calendars and calendars types, how you can create calendars for your appointment. Each and everything we are going to learn here. So module 3, funnel and website design. In these modules we are going to learn about basic of funnels, and after that we are going to build a complete funnel drag and drop builder tutorial. I will design landing pages, sale pages, thank you pages in front of you, so you will get complete idea what is funnel and how to design in GoHighLevel, and how to generate leads and make revenue from this making funnels, and how you can provide this service to other freelancers, like other freelancers are providing services. I will guide you step by step here. And the next step is a forms and survey. In this topic I will explain you all types of forms and surveys, and how you can take benefit from these forms and forms and surveys. I will explain you step by step. And in the next topic we will learn about website builder. So in website builder I will show you how you can design drag and drop website, and also how to optimize analytics integrations. And live funnels example, I will show you some of funnels and some of websites that I have designed in a GoHighLevel. I will show you a few of example as well. So go to Leads Flex, go to Portfolio, and here you can see some of websites and landing page design ideas that I have already designed for my client. So I will guide you step by step how you can design these type of website in a GoHighLevel. So in the fourth module, we are going to learn advanced marketing tools. That's include email marketing and campaigns, templates and sequence setups, SMS marketing, personalized SMS campaign running. I will guide you step by step. Reputation management, in which I will guide you how AI system will manage your all review for your Facebook, for your Google reviews. Automatically you will get 5-star review on your local business. And social media management, I will show you how you can just schedule one post for all social media, and I will explain complete social media planner step by step in the practical video. Track and reporting, yes, I will explain all tracking and reporting, conversion tracking and ROI analytics step by step in this in practical video. External integrations, for example, you want to integrate with third-party tools like Zapier, Facebook ad, Google ad. I will explain each and everything in this topic. So our 5th module is advanced strategies and white labeling. That's basically for SaaS agencies. If you want to run your own SaaS business, and that's in this course I will guide you step by step how you can run your own SaaS modules and SaaS software. Just white label your GoHighLevel setup. I will guide you how you can set up and brandings and clients management, funnels and onboarding automations. I will explain each and everything in there. Client dashboards, sub accounts and training to clients. I will explain you how you can create sub account and training to clients, and lead generations, funnels and niche audience. I will also guide you how you can do some lead generation strategies, and I will explain my own personal strategies as well. And scale your business fully automated with optimizations, and I will show you some real case studies as well, so you will get idea how it works, how they can making from 0 to 20,000, 1 lakh, 2 million, $2 million from just one SaaS software. We're going to recap complete course, free resources in which I will provide you a free snapshots for SaaS business, and also I can provide you a complete reputation management system, and also I have some more snapshot that I can provide you free of cost. I will go live on YouTube, Facebook and all other social media platform, and I will take all of your questions and answer all of the questions. Hopefully you are ready to learn about all these advanced skill in a GoHighLevel. So in the next video I will start from the modules 1, and I will start from basic to advanced. So you don't need to pay any of the paid course. It's a fully basic to advanced course. You will learn all things in a GoHighLevel step by step. So thank you so much for watching this video.